Hi students, can we start our computer class? Yes? Okay. Today we will start new chapter 5, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Same as MS Word, PowerPoint is also developed by Microsoft Corporation. That's why we call it Microsoft PowerPoint. And 2010 is the version. टाइम टू टाइम सॉफ्टवेयर में कुछ न कुछ डेवलपमेंट होते रहते हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट डेवलपमेंट वर्जन्स आर चेंज्ड. सो प्रीवियस वर्जन वाज 2007, नाउ वी विल स्टडी 2010. ओके, बट प्रीवियस वर्जन से बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज भी नहीं होता है. स्टिल वी कैन स्टडी 2007. ओनली 1-2 फीचर ही चेंज होते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज पावर पॉइंट. Same as we have made document in MS Word, here we will make presentation in PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint is an application software used to make presentation. Now the question is, what is presentation? The structured delivery of an information is called presentation. जब हम किसी इंफॉर्मेशन को या अपने थॉट और आइडियाज़ को स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में प्रोड्यूस करते इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. राइट, इट इज़ वेरी मच यूज्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ बिजनेस के फील्ड में ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज्ड है. लाइक इन अ कंपनी, टू शो द डिटेल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, टू शो द USP ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. USP मीन्स यूनिक सेल प्रॉपर्टी. द एम्प्लॉय यूज टू शो प्रेजेंटेशन टू द कस्टमर, राइट, सो दैट कि कस्टमर उसको परचेज कर ले. It is also used by employee of a company to show their thought and ideas for the growth of the company. Okay, it is also very much used in the field of education. Sometime in assembly ground you speak like, good morning teacher, good morning friends, my name is this, I study in class 4 and today I am going to tell you about this topic, and you start telling. This is also a kind of presentation. The study material available in your smart board is also a kind of presentation, right? So there are two kind of presentation, manual and electronic. The manual presentation is the presentation when we speak. हम बोल कर जो presentation देते हैं, like आपने assembly ground में जो बोला, right? And electronic presentation is the presentation which is shown by computer. Electronic presentation is more impressive and expressive. Why? Because we can add picture, video clip, audio clip in this presentation. So this is impressive and expressive. Impressive means जो दूसरों को अट्रैक्ट कर ले, इम्प्रेस कर ले, एंड एक्सप्रेसिव मीन्स जो वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड हो, जो अच्छे से अभिव्यक्त हो, अंडरस्टैंडेबल हो, राइट. You can also make presentation any topic. Like in science, you can make presentation on sense organs. You know, in each slide you will show there are 5 kind of sense organs. Then in another slide you will show these are the name of the sense organs like eye, nose, tongue, etc. And then in third slide you will describe first eye with picture, then afterward slide you will describe nose, afterward slide you will describe tongue. In this way you can make presentation in on any topic, in any subject. Now we will know how we will make presentation. As our book consists of so many pages, है ना, हमारी बुक में बहुत सारे पेजेस होते हैं. Similarly, a presentation is consist of so many slides. Slides are the pages of the presentation. So to make the presentation we will make slide. Okay, and in each slide we can add picture, text matter, audio clip, video clip, etc. And as many slides as we want we can add, right? So to make the presentation, first we will launch or start MS PowerPoint on our computer. So now we will learn how we will launch or start MS PowerPoint on our computer. Okay, to launch or to start MS PowerPoint on our computer, first we will learn the steps. Okay, so these are the steps. Click start button. Start button appears at the lower left corner of our screen. Okay, so first click start button, then click all program, click Microsoft Office folder, and click Microsoft Office PowerPoint. The first three steps are the same as we used to launch MS Word. Only last step is changed because that was MS Word and this is MS PowerPoint. So now do it practically. First we will click on this start button. Okay, this is called start button or window button. So click here. Now we will click on all program, and now click on Microsoft Office, and then we will click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Right now PowerPoint is opened. Okay, the another way to open PowerPoint is same. Click on start button, and this search box you can directly type PowerPoint. Okay, and enter. Now see, it is open. Now this is the window of MS PowerPoint. In next class we will study about the different components of the window of MS PowerPoint. So goodbye for this class.